The Leclerc main battle tank, MBT, is a 57T track machine built by French state-owned weapons manufacturer Nexter Systems, previously known as Giant Industries. It can fire arrow, explosive and canister ammunition in stationary or mobile modes. The French Army ordered the final tranche of 52 Leclerc tanks in September 2001, concluding a total order of 406, plus 20 armored recovery vehicles. Deliveries were completed in October 2007. The French Army has a fleet of 200 Leclerc tanks as of May 2021. The Leclerc was first operational with the French Army in 1992 and with UAE in 1995. Leclerc Mk2 tanks with improved software and engine control system entered production in 1998. In June 2006, Nexter unveiled the Leclerc optimized for urban operations. It is fitted with the AZUR kit, which consists of additional protection in the form of side skirts of composite material, bar armor on the rear of hull and turret to protect against rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, and extra protection for the engine against petrol bombs. A remotely controlled 7.62mm machine gun is also fitted in addition to the 120mm gun. In May 2020, the Main Ground Combat System (MGCS) was approved for initial system architecture study. MGCS is a joint effort by the French and German governments to develop a main combat system that will replace Germany's Leopard 2 MBT and the French Army's Leclerc in 2035. The upgrade aims to integrate the Leclerc MBT into the Scorpion program, an initiative that seeks to replace the fighting vehicles of the French armed forces with platforms connected to a unified communications and battlefield management system, BMS, to provide a collaborative combat capability on the battlefield. Leclerc main battle tank armament. The 120mm 52 caliber smoothbore gun is fitted with a thermal sleeve and muzzle reference system. Fumes are exhausted with a compressed air unit. The gun, which fires APFSD, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, and heat, high-explosive anti-tank rounds, has a firing rate of 12 rounds a minute. The aiming system is entirely electrical for improved acceleration. The tank has an automatic loading system, which allows cross-country fire on the move against mobile targets. 22 rounds of ready-to-use ammunition are carried. The tank is also armed with a 12.7mm machine gun coaxial with the main gun and a roof-mounted 7.62mm anti-aircraft gun. A remotely operated T2B turret equipped with a 7.62mm caliber supplied by Nexter's Belgian partner and firearm company FN Herstal will be installed on the Leclerc XLR to enhance its armament capabilities. Self-protection system of the main battle tank. The main battle tank is fitted with Galix combat vehicle protection system, developed by Nexter and Leclerc 2 Artifices. 9 launch tubes for the 80mm grenades are fitted on either side of the turret roof. The Galix system can launch smoke or anti-personnel grenades or infrared decoys. Battle Management System. The Leclerc is fitted with the Finders, Fast Information, Navigation, Decision and Reporting System, Battlefield Management System, developed by Nexter Systems. Finders includes a color map display which shows the positions of the host tank, allied and hostile forces and designated targets and can be used for route and mission planning. Digital Fire Control and Observation Systems. The Digital Fire Control System allows the gunner or commander to select 6 different targets to be engaged in just over 30 seconds. The system's digital computer allows real-time treatment of data from the tank's sensors and sights. The commander has 8 periscopes and an HL-70 stabilized panoramic sight from Safran, formerly Sagem. HL-70 includes laser rangefinder, day channel, and second-generation image intensifier.